Next, our portion is the hybridization involving s, p and d orbitals. First one, sp3d hybridization. In this hybridization, you know 1s, 3p and 1d hybrid orbitals are mixed up to form 5 equal energy sp3d hybrid orbitals. So they have identical shape, size and energy. So total 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are produced, 1s, 3p and 1d. Example, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So, for find out the hybridization, first you should write phosphorus ground state electronic configuration. You know phosphorus atomic number 15, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Then 3d level is there, but it is 0 electrons are present, so it is vacant. Then the phosphorus in excited state, we don't need to draw this electronic configuration here. Outer subshells are 3s2, 3p3, 3d, 0. Then when phosphorus is in excited state, then the one orbital with the 2 electrons are there. From these 2 electrons, 1 electron jump to the outermost shell 3d level. Then it become here 1 electron, here also 3 unpaired electron, here also electron is occupied. This is jump from 3s level to 3d level. Then these 5 electrons are present here. These are known as unpaired electrons. These unpaired electrons containing orbitals are mixed up. Then 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals and 1d orbitals are mixed up to form sp3d hybrid orbitals. So these 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are directed towards the 5 corners of a trigonal bipyramidal. Phosphorus, 1 chlorine atom, chlorine, 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 chlorine. Then this is trigonal, that is in the plane 3 chlorine atom present. These 2 chlorine atoms are above and below plane. So this shape is known as trigonal bipyramidal shape. Then in PCl5, the 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals overlap with the p orbital of each chlorine atom to form 5 PCl sigma bond. Listen, here 1 PCl sigma bond, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 PCl sigma bond. In this, 3 PCl sigma bond is lie in one plane. This one and this one. These PCl sigma bonds are lie in one plane known as equatorial bonds. These PCl bond, this one, these 3 PCl sigma bonds are known as equatorial bonds. Then the remaining 2 PCl bonds are lying above and below the equatorial plane. So this is the equatorial plane. 2 PCl bonds are lying above and below to this plane. So these PCl bonds are known as axial bonds. Then 2 types of bonds are there, 3 equatorial bonds and 2 axial bonds. These are known as equatorial bonds and these are known as axial bonds. Then these axial bonds suffer more repulsion from equatorial bonds. Axial bonds suffer more repulsion from these equatorial bonds. Therefore, the axial bond lengths are slightly longer than this equatorial bond length. So here, listen, the axial bond lengths are longer than that of equatorial bond length because these axial bonds suffer more repulsion from this equatorial bond. So the bond length increases, then its reactivity also increases. That is the reason PCl5 is more reactive, because here two types of bonds are there, axial bonds and equatorial bonds. Three equatorial bonds are there and two axial bonds are there. These axial bonds suffer more repulsion from these three equatorial bonds. So the bond length of these axial bonds are longer than that of equatorial bond. That is the reason PCl5 is more reactive. Next type of hybridization is sp3d2 hybridization. In this, 1s, 3p and 2d atomic orbitals are mixed up to form 6 equal energy sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. These are having same energy, shape and size. Example, SF6 molecule, sulfur hexafluoride molecule. Then first you should write the electronic configuration. Sulfur 16, atomic number 16. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4, 3d0. Then sulfur is in excited state. Then the inner electrons we don't need to draw. Then the outermost subshells are need to draw. That is 3s2. Here 2 electrons are present. That is electrons are pair up here. Here 3p level also 1 electron pair is present and 2 unpaired electrons are here. So for mixing up these 1 electron from 3s level is jump to 3d level and this become unpaired, and this here also 1 electron jump to the 3d level. Then here 1 electron, here also 1 electron, here already 1 electron is there. Then from here 1 electron jump here and from 1 electron jump to this 3d level. So these unpaired electron containing orbitals are mixed up. Then 1s, 3p and 2d orbitals are mixed up. 1s, 3p, 2d atomic orbitals are mixed up to form sp3d2 hybridization. Here 1s orbital, 3p orbitals and 2d orbitals are mixed up to form 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals, which are projected towards the 6 corners of a regular octahedron. These 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals overlap with the p orbitals of fluorine atom to form 6 SF single bond. Here listen, 1SF, 2SF, 3SF, 4SF, 5SF and 6SF sigma bonds. So this is the hybridization in the case of SF6 molecule, sp3d2 hybridization with the octahedral shape.